How to register GST for a small business online. The first step is checking whether you need GST registration. So before applying, confirm whether GST registration is mandatory for your business. Registration is generally required if your business exceeds the applicable turnover threshold or falls into a category where registration is actually compulsory. All right, now once that has been done, the next step will be to simply gather your details. So prepare the required documents before you start your application, like a PAN card, a adhere card, a passport size photograph, business address proof, mobile number, and email address. The exact documents may vary depending on whether you're a sole proprietor, partnership, LLP, or company. And then once that's done, you can go ahead and visit the official GST portal. So open the official GST registration portal and start a new registration, and then simply complete the part A and then proceed to complete the part B. The part A being your tax details, your state district, your legal name, your PAN number, and email address. And then for the part B, your business information, your promoter or proprietor, a principal place of business, goods or services supplied, bank account, and every document upload. And then once you're done, just go ahead and verify and submit. So complete the verification process. Depending on your circumstances, verification may be done using the Adhere authentication, or you could go with an electronic verification code. That's the EVC. All right, guys. And just track your application once you're done. You can track your application status using your ARN on the GST portal. All right.